We're at 505 West 47th Street in the heart of Hell's Kitchen, at the crossroads of 10th Avenue and West 47th Street. This apartment is a perfect split 2-bedroom, and it's stunning from the moment you walk in the door. The attention to detail that went into this renovation really sets this apartment apart from every other unit in the building. From the classic chevron oak floors to the Calcutta gold marble in the kitchen. You have the custom millwork in the master bedroom that brings it all together so perfectly. The master bedroom is gracious in size. It has direct access to your private terrace and also a large dressing area that is fully built out and customized. Your terrace leads directly into a beautifully planted and designed courtyard. Additionally, you have a beautiful greenhouse space that functions as a fitness center. Hell's Kitchen is certainly an exciting place to live. It's diverse and vibrant. It's a great place to call home.